So hello guys and welcome back. In today's video you'll be seeing how you can download a Python interpreter that you can use seamlessly on your phone. So I came across this particular interpreter which is better from the former one I posted, so I'm going to show you how you will use it. The name is Pydriod. So go to your Play Store or App Store and type Pydriod. Okay, just type Pydriod. So we are working with this Pydriod 3, and then this is the app here, this particular one. So just go on and install it. So in my case it is already installed in my phone, so I will click open. So this is just the interface. So with this interface you can just be programming like your normal IDE on your desktop computer. So okay, so let's do some stuffs here. I can say print. I am coding Python. Okay, let's take some input. I can say name is equals to input name. So I can just say what is your name. So down here I can print my name. Say print. Alright, so let's go over and execute this code. And you see it has printed the first one and it's requesting for my name. So I can say my name is Felix. Hit enter, and you see this particular one works very well. So just go on and install it, and this is the simplest way to use it, and enjoy your Python coding on your smartphone.